चलो छोड़ो। आप आ जाना, ठीक है मुमताज? Am I audible? Now question number 1. So what social ideas did the following people support? So some of the names are given here. So what was their contribution in a field of a social reform? For example, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, he abolished the sati system. Sati system. He abolished the sati system. Sati system. He opposed the sati system, child marriages, and encouraged the girl education. Girl education. Next, Dayanand Saraswati. Social ideas, not their ideas. What kind of the ideas they promote? Girl education. So Dayanand Saraswati, yes. Equal rights for women. Dayanand Saraswati contributed in a field of equal rights for women in society. V. Selingam Pantulu, yes. Tushar Tak. Veer Selingam Pantulu. Answer. What is their contribution in a field of a social reform? Tushar Tak. Tushar, class waiting for your answer. Thank you. Very good answer. Yes, Janvi. Yes, Janvi. Girl education. Yes, Kritika. Widow remarriages. Sit down. लिख दो. Next, Khyati. Jyotira Phule. Untouchables. Upliftment of untouchables. He contributed for the upliftment of untouchables. Yes. Just briefly, sufficient. He worked for the upliftment of the untouchables. That's it. And you can also add as a girl education through the support of a Savitri Bai Phule. Girl education. Next one. Pandita Ramabai. हाँ जी ना कलेक्टिवली आंसर पॉसिबल नहीं सबने अलग अलग फील्ड में काम किया यस ओके वेरी गुड widow homes set up in society she contributed for the improvement of the widows in society next one Periyar first stop Mumtaz Ali and Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Mumtaz Ali also she opposed all rituals which are marked in Islam and Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar worked for the widow remarriages. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar widow remarriages and girl education. Next. So statements are there. Some of the statements are there. Roll number 10. Is it here? Yes, 10. Statement is it true or false? First statement is when the British captured the Bengal, they framed many new laws to regulate the rules regarding the marriage, adoption, inheritance of property, etc. Is it true or false? True. Very true. Because most of number of the social movements, these were started from the Bengal. Yes, Khyati. Yes. Clear? First is true. Second one. Roll number 20. 20 here. Yes, 20. Second statement is social reformers had to discard the ancient text in order to argue for the reform in social practices. For improvements in a society, they criticized the ancient text, ancient Vedic text of India. False. They supported Favored. False आएगा. False आएगा. Statement false है. They favored the ancient texts in support of the social reforms in society. Third statement, 30 roll number. 30. Third statement is that reformers got full support from the sections of all the sections of the society, of the all the sections of the people in the country. Is it true or false? Very good. False. सबने नहीं दिया था. So only as a limited number of people they supported, not all. Brahmins they condemned, they argued against of this. Okay, next one. The Child Marriage Restraint Act was passed in 1829. Yes. False. वो 1930 में आया था. Shad Act 1929. Shad Act age related as a 1930. So 1929. Next one. How did the knowledge of ancient text help the reformers promote new law? Promote new law. Who will answer? Yes, Rhythm. Continue. Yes, continue. Yes, Guntas, continue. Guntas, what he said. Your answer. Guntas Singh. Haji, answer. Little bit louder. Okay. Or example, can you quote here any example? Example. Mahatma Gandhi. Okay. He was a social reformer. It was a nationalist leader. Guntas ji, nationalist leader. Example quote karo. Very good. Excellent answer. Shift your seat. Go there. Go there. नहीं नहीं यहाँ आ जाइए. गुरदास जी. हाँ, yes. So the Raja Ram Mohan Roy and other social reformers used ancient texts and other social reformers like Dayanand Saraswati, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, Vivekanand, etc. They used ancient texts that supported their point of view. They suggested that the practices related with the social evils, like dash and dash, etc. Clear? Social evils like dash and dash, etc. Sati system, child marriages, etc. Existed at present, Guntas Singh, existed at present. It was an early tradition. They challenged social reformers, challenged challenged those traditions which earlier followed by the people but not suitable for a, which were earlier followed by the people, followed by the society. आप सोसाइटी में रहते हैं? नहीं रहते हैं? आप कहां रहते हैं? Humans are living in a society. Animals are living in a forest. इसलिए आप सोसाइटी में रहते हैं. फिर people दोनों सही हैं. Followed by people or society are not, they are not suitable. They are not suitable. Full stop. Question number 4. Question number 4. What's the question? Do it yourself. Do it yourself. हाँ जी, हाँ जी. हाँ. हाँ जी, कोट कर सकते हैं. हाँ जी, हो जाएगा गुंदा सिंह. 5th question. 6th question. In the British period, what new opportunities opened for the people who came? Sorry. Why were the Christian missionaries attacked by the many people of the country? Would some people have supported them too? If so, for what reasons? Yes. So Christian missionaries, they came to India to expand Christianity, and to give incentives to those who changed. They given as an incentive to those who transform their religion and accept Christianity. Second point, accept Christianity. They were given as incentives, means land property given to those which were transform their religion and accept Christianity. Second point, incentive, INCENTIVE. अगर आप क्रिश्चियन बनते हैं तो आपको लैंड दिया जाएगा, प्रॉपर्टी दी जाएगी. इंसेंटिव्स, ठीक है ना? INCENTIVE, incentive. Second point, they were the people, Christian missionaries were those who questioned the injustice, who questioned the injustice, who questioned the injustice in relation to the caste discrimination, Third, they began to set up schools for tribals, Fourth, tribals and low caste people. Fourth, they were they were provide goods and resources, goods and resources, goods and resources to socially and economically, उसमें ट्राइबल भी आ जाएंगे, दूसरे भी आ जाएंगे, socially and economically, socially and economically backward sections of society, backward sections of society, backward sections of society first point, they began to leave villages, they began to leave villages and settle in cities, and settle in cities, settle in cities for better job opportunities, better job opportunities. Second, job opportunities. रुको, schools were set up, schools were set up for, schools were set up for them, schools were set up for them which empower, EMPOWER, empower themselves in society, empower themselves in society. Next, the poor from villages. Next point, poor from villages and small towns, poor from villages and small towns migrated, absent, from villages and towns, poor from villages and small towns migrated towards adjoining areas, towards adjoining areas, adjoining areas to complete demand of labor, demand of labor. Very good, Kritika. Example, people move towards the northeastern states, Indonesia, Singapore, etc. People move towards the northeastern states, southeastern countries like Singapore, Indonesia, etc. Singapore, Indonesia, etc. Next point, new locations provide them new opportunities, and improve their living standard. Improve their new locations, provide them new opportunities and improve their living standard. Living standard. Living standard. Living standard. Next point. Formation of a social reform societies like dash and dash, dash and dash, Brahmo Samaj, Arya Samaj, etc. Formation of social reform societies. Formation of social reform societies. Next point. Formation of social reform societies like Arya Samaj, Brahmo Samaj, Arya Samaj, Brahmo Samaj, provided them liberties in society. Arya Samaj, Brahmo Samaj, cut it at liberty point. Arya Samaj and Brahmo Samaj work for equality. They work for the equality. Work for equality. Next point. Newer ideology and philosophy. Newer ideology and philosophy. It's third point, fourth point. Sixth point. Newer ideology and philosophy during British age. During British age. During British age. Philosophy introduced during the British age. Eradicate many social evils from society. Many social evils from society. Evils from society. Social evils from society. Next point. Introduction of newer administrative and military policies. No problem. Introduction of newer administrative and military policies. Military policies. Newer administrative and military policies. Opened scope for SCOPE, scope for development of society, development of Indian society, because if a person, it will be as an Indian, which will be as contribute in an administration, then it will make the policies for the beneficial of the people at some of the extent. Development of Indian society, full stop. Next question. Question number 7. How did Jyotirao Phule, the reformers, justify their criticism of a caste inequality in society? Do it yourself. Jyotirao Phule's contribution. When he wrote his autobiography, Gulamgiri, उससे related caste के against क्या किया उन्होंने? He opened the schools for the poor, everything. Next question. Read it, Saksham. हाँ जी, सोसाइटी वो अनटचेबल्स के लिए बनाई गई थी. Very good. Why did Phule dedicated his book Gulamgiri to the American movement to free slaves? 117 at the bottom. 117 at the bottom. Page 117 at the bottom. Clear? Next. Next question. What did Ambedkar want to achieve through the temple entry movement, which was introduced in 1927 and 1935? 1927 and 35. Page number 118. Yes, second paragraph. Page 118, second paragraph. Second last. Second last. Kalyan.
His aim was to make everyone see the power of our faith.
Very good. Thank you. Clear? 118, last two paragraphs. Last question. Why were the Jyotirao Phule and the Ramaswamy Naikar critical of the nationalist movements, and did their criticism help the national struggle in any way? Yes. 109.